In this video, we are going to learn topic type conversion. Type conversion means suppose we have data of one form, so we need to change into another form. Like if we have data of integer type, then you need to convert into decimal format. Then we need this type conversion. So I think you are clear about type conversion. In type conversion, it is mainly of two types like implicit and explicit. Implicit means what is meant by implicit type of conversion means the value of one type is automatically converted to the value of another type. In this type of conversion, it is automatically convert the value of one data type to another data type. So this second one is important, explicit type of conversion. So here we are manually converting the one type of data to another type. So let us see the examples of these both types. I'm declaring a decimal is of float data type. So 23.45 is a decimal number. So here I am taking another variable of integer type. So I am declared here as int. So here I made a statement like b is equals to a. So this b of integer type is equals to this decimal of a. So you can check out here we assigned a decimal number to a and we are copying that decimal number to integer. For changing we need not include any type of conversion. So this is known as implicit type of conversion. So it is automatically convert the value to another type. So you can see here 23 point something is automatically converted to 23 only. So this is of implicit type. Now explicit is means we we should include something to convert one type of data to another type of data. So I can show you here. So here I declared a integer type variable with the data of 23 and I printing that data. Again here I am taken decimal number which is of b. So I used float data type. So if you run the program, it will not print the exact value. So if we this 23 is divided by 3, which is of some 73 point something number. So if you run that, it will show only 7.0s. So you can check out that output. So here it is showing only 7.00. So here you need now in explicit type conversion, we should manually or forcefully convert the value. So I said that we should include something in order to get a perfect output. So here I am including float here. This is means this integer type of data is converting into float type. So if you indicate like this, if you indicate or include like this, then it is means the integer type of data is converting into float type. So this is known as explicit type conversion. Manually or forcefully we are converting the integer type of data to float type, means integer type to decimal type. So now if you run the program, you can check out the answer here.